Hello, how are you? Today I'm going to be doing a requested video. Someone had asked if I could do a tutorial on this little pouch that I created, and that's what I'm going to share with you today. And these little pockets in the front, I just used a little die that I will share that with you as well. So I'm going to show you how I made this little pouch. Okay, so first of all, you're going to want two 12 by 12 sheets of cardstock, designer paper, and if you can find it double-sided, that would be the best for this project. And I will have all of the measurements down in the description box below. Okay, so you're going to want to cut out two side panels at 8.5 by 5 3/4 inches. And we're going to score these. And you won't use the entire sheet. And then you're going to want to cut out two pockets. And I kind of already have these words. They have the little layering piece here. And I cut out the word believe and Merry Christmas, and I'm going to have that on my pockets. Now the die that I used for those are from KS Craft Store. You can purchase separately the little tags that go with it, so you can make the little tags have little pockets in them. And then they have the coordinating pocket dies for those little tags, and that's what I used. I used the medium size pocket die here. So, okay, let's get started. So I added, on the bottom here, I added some of my sticky strip. So I'm going to leave that one on, and let's see. I just want to cover up the seam a little bit. And these are 11-inch strips by 1 inch. And I'm just putting those on both sides just to kind of hide the seam. This is totally optional. You don't have to do that if you don't want. Do that on the second sheet. Then you just want to do the mountain and valley folds on each score line. Okay, so here is the inside. Now, if you don't want, you can take a few of these off. Like, if you don't want it quite this much room in here, you can, you know, half it or take 2 or 3 and cut it right here, and then glue it on the end if you don't want this much room. So you can pretty much, you know, take away or add as much as you'd like. So I'm going to round the corners. Now this is optional, you don't have to do this. I like the corners rounded. So I'm going to do that real quick. And I forgot my Velcro, but you can use a Velcro adhesive dot and Velcro it down. That's what I did here. So let's add the pockets. So here are my pockets, and I already added the sticky strip behind. So really quickly, this is totally optional. I have my circle punch here. This is what it looks like. It is a Marvy punch, and it's just a large circle. Kind of cut a notch out right here. Just a small one, just like that. And again, that is totally optional as well. Okay, so, and then I would put my Velcro right here, or right here actually. You want to add some Velcro, and then that way you can stick it down like that. You can also grab some elastic and wrap the elastic around as well. So that's just a couple different options. You could try to put a magnet on here. I'm not sure if it would, you would have to have a pretty strong magnet in order for it to stay closed, especially if you fill it with a lot of goodies inside as well. So really quickly, we are just going to kind of decorate the front a little bit. I cut this out from the collection. I'm just going to glue that on. So I want to add a few snowflakes. Oops. And I'm only adhering the middle so that the this part can kind of stick up a little bit. And then I'm going to add, this kind of popped up a little bit. So I'm going to add some of this foam tape to it. Okay, and there you have it. Just add your adhesive, or just add your closure. You can use some elastic around it just to ensure it, just to make sure it arrives well. And this can hold a 6x6 paper pad. That is the whole reason I created this and made it, was for that purpose. So you can definitely fill it up with a lot of goodies. And I hope you enjoyed this project, this little tutorial. There's some pockets, you can include some more little goodies in there. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, bye.